Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff and
Christina.
It's J&K Stay in Vegas with a first look here at propereats here at Aria.
First day, opening day.
Opening day here at propereats, and boy, are there some great restaurants. We're going to try a couple of them.
Yeah.
So this is located, just so you know, next to the Promenade restaurants where Carbone is. Salt and Ivy is down the other way. The other side is where the pool walkway is, and also that other Starbucks. So if you watch that Aria tour video of where's my coffee, where's my room, you know exactly where this is.
This is the space where the buffet was here at Aria. Quite a few people had asked us, and I know, gosh, there's so many of you that love the buffet, and this is what is here now. But, you know, don't despair.
Yeah.
Come in here and try it out, because there's some really good restaurants in here.
Yeah, so
From all over, not just a new restaurant opening for this. They're already existing.
yeah, so this is a food hall, so we can't wait to go in there, check it out, check out a couple of things. We obviously can't try everything, but we're going to try a couple of things in there and give you that first look here at propereats here at the Aria for 2022, going into 2023. Let's go. Propereats is just down the way from Salt and Ivy. There's Easy Donuts. We'll take a look at that in a second, but this is kind of your main entrance here. The former Aria Buffet is now Propereats Food Hall, as we were saying in our intro. And just down on the other end, towards that way, that's where you would go to Vidara, and the pool is over that way. So go take a look at Propereats Food Hall here, brand new for December 2022. Now, the first thing you want to do is when you come here, you're going to take a look at how it works. How it works is that you grab a seat, as it says right there, open the QR code and place your order, receive a text message when your entire order is ready for pickup, right there in the QR code. So the first thing on the right is Egghead. They have their famous cheesy hash browns. They have a few spots to sit right on the outside. They definitely have more comfortable chairs, which you'll see in a few minutes. And they also have some seating over here. And as you come over here, you've got Wexlers Deli, Jewish Deli. Take a looking at their menu over here. A small little area here with bagels and cheese and some few things. Move over here to Seoul Bird. This is Korean fried chicken. All these cool buckets up here. And next on our list here is Pizzaoki. Oh yeah, Steve Aoki has got his own pizza here. And here's slices versus the full pies here. You can see they've got boneless, pursuit of happiness. If you request no beef, and they even have a couple of salads there. So this over here, Pizzaoki, gotta have to try this out. Lots of different stuff to try here at the new Propereats Food Hall. Here is some of the menu items here at Shalom Y'all. That's this middle portion here. We've got hummus, cauliflower bowl, and a kebab plate. A whole bunch of different stuff. If you can't find something to eat here at the Aria Propereats, well then I don't know what to tell you. Here's Lola's Burgers. Lola. Some crispy onion rings, those sound good with some barbecue ranch. Possible burger too, nice. And as you turn around, you can see some of the additional seating area that they have here. Got more comfortable chairs and standing at these high table bars, but also some couches over there, so that's kind of cool. And this right here next to Lola's Burgers is the Laughing Buddha Ramen. So you can see they have the pork belly, crispy eggplant, a couple other ramen bowls and noodles to add on here. That is right here. And the Temaki bar, hand rolled sushi and sake. Taking a look at the menu and everything here. And they got a typical sit down here for sushi. That's really neat. And this is all where the again, where the former Aria Buffet was. And I know a lot of you had liked the Aria Buffet. And you can see where the pool was. They are currently in winter months here because it's December 2022 of opening. So they're doing a lot of refurbishment and everything else. And then they have the main bar over here with more places to sit, more booths, couches and whatnot. But the main bar over here. And some bigger oversized booths over here. And this just kind of gives you a layout of the land here. See the bar there. So Propereats just opened here at Aria. Again, they got these kiosks everywhere to order your food. So that's a good thing. And as we come around, this is actually about the first place you see, and that's the Easy Donuts place. And here's some of the things that they have on the menu as well. So Easy Donuts is kind of outward facing from the whole Aria place on both east and west sides of property. And you come make a full circle, and there's where we started from here at Propereats. So like the instructions say, you find your seat and table. So we have found a place right next to the bar, right over just beyond the Temaki bar. And we're going to order here from this QR code.
I'm gonna hide here. Got my food. I want my food.
Okay, so then the QR code opens up the app and takes you to your start order. From here, you can go through all the various restaurants, pick what you want, and slide down, add to cart, and they hopefully will bring it to you. So let's go see how that works. So note, you can actually select from multiple restaurants, and you can then put it on one bill and under one name, and then you go through. I'm going to select Apple Pay and pay that way. And then it says Apple Pay right there. And the button is a little small, so got a total of $65. So I'm gonna pay this and we're gonna check out the food. All right, all done. Then they text you your order number and everything, and lets you know that it's gonna be 15-20 minutes. And yeah, there we go. So let's go see how the food is. All right, so we got the burger and onion rings. Gonna pick up the second food for Christina here at Wexlers. They've got my name, so one order, two different places. Yes.
With latkes and
Yes.
drink also?
Thank you. Yeah, drink too. Thank you. All right, so we got our drinks in hand. It's self-service drinks, which are just right over here. They got the whole everything here, so you got all your choices, and choose your drink. So just off to the right, they got all your condiments, straws, some napkins. So, all right, Christina. So, what did you get again?
Oh, so good. I got bagel, toasted bagel with cream cheese and lox and onions and capers and pickle and pretty little silverware that's plastic. So this is from Wexlers, and they're super famous, popular in LA. So this is where this comes from.
Well, how is it, Christina? Wexlers. You're dancing. It's got to be pretty good.
So good. Well, yeah, if you like salmon and float lox. So good. It's all fresh.
And look at that pretty silverware. Even though it's plastic, it looks cute.
I still feel like I'm in a high chair.
Yeah, I know, right? And they come in these little packages right here, so you can get those over next to these self-service drinks.
Very fresh smoked salmon. Delicious. Absolutely delicious.
So I got the Lola burger here. Now I gotta admit, I'm a little bit more on the plain side, so it's kind of your bacon cheeseburger, but it's from Lola's Burgers right here.
Mm-hmm.
Also got some crispy onion rings. These are $7. Burger itself with the bacon's about $17. Not terribly bad, but Comes with a little bit of ranch, and they have the mayo on the side. Gonna try that, but let me try the burger first, see what that's like. It's like medium rare.
And they're pink.
Really good.
Yeah.
Nice and pink.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try out an onion ring here. Nice beer battered. Nice beer battered onion rings. It's really good. I'd say the burger bun a little cold.
Oh.
If I'm being perfectly honest. I don't know. I mean, we got the food right when it was ready, so. But the flavor is really good, so I will say that. So I'm gonna eat all this and give you a full roundup in just a few minutes. Well, guys, hope you've enjoyed this first look here at propereats at Aria. Boy, that was good. We tried out, as you saw there, Lola's Burgers and Wexlers Deli.
Yes.
And again, what did you think of your Wexlers?
I loved it.
You had that bagel
so
lox,
good.
right?
Yeah, smoked lox. Oh my God, cream cheese. Oh my God, it was so good.
Now there are other restaurants, including like Easy Donuts here. There's the ramen place.
There's Shalom Y'all.
There you go.
I love that name. It's Mediterranean food.
Yeah, and you've got Seoul Chicken, as in Seoul, Korea. You've got Pizzaoki, which is Steve Aoki's place.
Exactly.
So we could only try a couple of these places. So you need to get down here, check it out. It's December 2022, so this will be hot for 2023. So if you're coming here next year, definitely check it out here at Aria by the Promenade Restaurants. It's propereats, full on display here at Aria. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. If you want to see more of this content or our live streams, turn on those bell notifications. Turn on those bell notifications to be alerted to every time we post a new video like this or go live. All right, folks, until the next one, stay safe.
And stay silly.
Bye-bye, everybody.